Hello, hello once again, all you lovely people. Professor Gray here with a video about how to fill out the cover page that you'll need to be doing for the written activities for this class. Now, this is very, very important because the writing activities here are required to have a correctly filled out cover page. Indeed, activities without a correctly filled out cover page will not be accepted and automatically be marked as incomplete. Now, the good news is, yes, if you go to the website, there you go. You'll see I have posted templates there on the course website, which include a cover page. There's the cover page for you. Here's a blank one of those ready for you to fill out. Now, I have two templates. I have a Microsoft Word template, and I have a Google Docs template. Now, I very strongly recommend you use the Microsoft Word template, and that's for two reasons. First and foremost, everyone here at UB gets Microsoft Office for free. Yes, free. So you have it. And because of that, that's the second reason why would prefer you use it, is that then UBIT, if you have any technical problems, they will help you out because they do support all the Microsoft products. Now, I've provided Google Docs there as a courtesy, I guess. I'm not an expert with it. So if anything goes wrong, though, it's not supported. You are on your own. So that's why I just highly encourage you, use the Microsoft Word. And if anything goes wrong, UB will help you figure it out. Anyhow, let's throw the cover page back up there. There you can see this cover page. It's just a checklist of things you look over and make sure you've done and checked off appropriately, and you do all that, you'll be right as rain, no academic integrity violations. All right, well, let's walk through this. Let's look at the first one there. I collaborated with the following people. Collaboration means, you helped them and they also helped you. And so in those cases, if that happens, put an X there and list out anyone that you collaborated with. The second item, moving down, is that I received help from the following people. So you did not help them, but they did. Yes, they helped you. And this includes me, the course assistants, classmates, Center of Excellence, friends, family members, on and on and on. And so if anyone helped you, put an X there, put their names after that colon. Or going down to the third one, I provided help to the following classmates. So they did not help you, but you did help them. Put an X there, write their names on that line. And then finally in that last cluster there, I worked alone. So yeah, if you didn't collaborate, you didn't help, you didn't receive help, yeah, you worked it literally on your own, put an X there, and you are good. Moving on to the next one, I have cited any and all relevant sources using APA and listed those sources. And note, very important, very important. This does include artificial intelligence things. You will need to cite, if you use artificial intelligence tools, you'll need to cite it there. I'll pop it back up on the course website. I do show you how to cite that stuff. All right, let's go back to that. All right, so that's there. I've cited any and all relevant sources, again, including AI, and you have that reference section at the end of the assignment. If that's happened, then you put an X there. But if not, if you have no sources, no AI, no text, no nothing, it all came from your brain, then you X, I have no sources to cite, so no reference section. Moving on, then there are names mentioned above. So if you collaborated or got help, well, then you need an acknowledgement section. You'll X that item and be sure to thank them in an acknowledgement section at the end. Again, being very specific about how they helped you. Or if there were no names mentioned above, again, you did this all on your own, then you just say there are no, X that last item, there are no names mentioned above, so I have no acknowledgement section. Coming back for a minute. So just X the ones that are appropriate. You don't X everything. That's not what goes on. You X the ones that are, in fact, true. All right, let's go back to that. At the end, then, after you've done all that, you put where it says highlighted there, today's date goes there. Yeah, put today's date, and then put your name. There you go, in the next item there. And hey, you fill out that form, you're good. Because if you do that, there's no academic integrity violation. You fill out that cover page correctly, no academic integrity violation, no letter to the dean, etc. has to be written. Of course, if you're just merely copying someone else's work, you put quotes around it, you cite it properly. Okay, fair enough. Not an academic integrity violation. I will not write a letter, but we'll probably meet and chat. And I'll be like, come on, I want to hear your views on this stuff, not someone else's. But that's a very different comment. That's a learning moment. That's not me having to write letters. That's not an academic integrity violation. So again, just fill out that cover page. You should be right as rain. But of course, if you have any questions about filling that out, don't be a stranger. Do not hesitate to ask. In the meantime, however, hey, please take care. Stay safe.